Okay, so this is Ronnie again. We're on the journey. This is South Africa. I'm going to Gugulethu, where a friend of mine lives. That's my friend. He lives in the township. And this is your South Africa tour, Cape Town. I'm not going to say much. I'm going to let the video speak for itself. Okay? So, wait for traffic. Here we go. South Africa is like Jamaica. It's kind of like, has better roads than New York, for the most part, and the architecture is more modern in the city. The water crisis, they're managing it pretty well, but there's an obvious divide between the rich and the poor. And when the poor gets frustrated, you know, they sometimes destroy their own neighborhood. But there's a real struggle going on here. I ask people what they make. Let's say a guy that works in a restaurant. On average, people make like 250 US per month. And the South Africans are in unions, and some of the people from other countries, they're not in unions, so you'll find that they're working below standard rate wages. Yeah, but when you go into the other areas, you'll see it's fully developed. But South Africa is up and coming. It's a great place to invest. The climate is pretty nice. I hear it gets cold in different seasons. But it's kind of like a mixture of culture, and the vibe here is amazing. It's easygoing. There's crime. People sleep on the street like everywhere else. You keep your car windows up, you turn your AC on, you lock your doors, you don't leave your phone in your car, you don't bring attention to yourself. And the train systems, it's not recommended. People here are very, very poor. And because of that, you know what happens. From what I was told, the educational system before was Bantu education. They didn't give them good education. So basically, some of the people coming from different parts of Africa, you know, like Zimbabwe, they're better educated. You see what I mean? So they get better jobs. So that's one of the challenges, you know. But South Africa is up and coming. You might want to come here to visit. Airbnb is everywhere. You don't really have to worry. You get a phone chip, turn your international on for a month, pay $60 for 1 gig.
In 400 meters, at the roundabout, take the second exit.
And as soon as you get here, all you have to do is get an Uber or rent a car. Renting a car is really good. There are drugs like everywhere else, and there are a lot of addiction going on. Yeah, it's a have and have-nots. That's what South Africa is. The haves and have-nots. And you're gonna see this as I take you to Gugulethu. Gugulethu, Gugulethu. That's where I chill out with my brethren. Samba. No, my brethren is a musician, a reggae artist, and I met him with some friends, you know, and he's a really cool guy, and he had to be an activist over the years to make things better for his community. So now I know one place that I drive at night is in Gugulethu, but it can be very dangerous in Gugulethu. So we're leaving from the suburbs and we're going to Gugulethu, South African ghetto, a place I call Gugulethu. I've been here probably 4 days, a little tired. It was an 18-hour flight. I had layover in Amsterdam. In those 4 days, it's kind of life-changing. What I've seen, what I've experienced, the vibe, the people so far, and my journey has just begun. Yeah, so to have seen what I've seen in such a short time and experience such a vibe, the food is cheap, cheaper than New York, and drinks are cheaper than US, and there's some really smart people here, and the roads are amazing. Let's hope they keep it up, you know, and they don't dig up the roads. You see people waiting on, and they're, you know, of course, public transportation, people waiting on buses and stuff. So the weather's been good since I've been here. So you're seeing Gugulethu. Gugulethu, one of my favorite ghettos. So now what I'm doing is I'm teaching the people in Gugulethu how to do certain things and make money. Yep, that's why I came down here for. Yep, I'm teaching people how to do that. This is Ronnie, really? Yep. Ronnie's on a mission for poor people, and they're working with me. I have about 10 sign-ups already. So one of the reasons why I came to Africa is to give away my lectures for free about YouTube and technology, how to make money on YouTube. I came to Africa to give that away. And when I come to the state, I will sell my books, but ebooks, but I came to Africa to give that away. One thing about the streets when the minibus are driving, you know, there's X amount of lanes, and sometimes on the side they make a lane of their own. But the driving is kind of like Jamaica, but Jamaica is worse. Now, South Africans love Jamaicans. Black South Africans, they love Jamaicans. They love reggae music. Reggae music is like, and for Zimbabweans also, they love reggae. I met people from different parts, and Jamaica, you gotta say, you've made a mark on the world. So now we're getting close to the ghetto now. Check out the trash. It's kind of like Kingston. So this huge township is like Kingston. You'll see, you know, you'll see the stark poverty, and then we're gonna go on the coastline and you'll see the difference. So I'm not gonna try to say much. You'll see people walking. You know, what I think is gonna work is when the real estate is gonna keep going up. We need a lot more people from Jamaica to come here and visit and see the differences, because it's one of the best places to live, man. We need a lot more people from America. I called a friend today and I said to him, do not listen to anything anybody tell you about Africa. Call an African and ask them. And how do you find Africans in South Africa? How do you get that link? Well, you could contact me. I'll give you links to people. You want to come to South Africa? You're good. I got you. I got you. You'll be safe. I got you. You know, I tell you where to stay, and it's cheap. I'll let you know what I know. I paid $22 in an Airbnb. My car rental was $370. It's best you rent the car at the airport. No, not at the airport. Online. I use justfly.com to book my tickets, and I use justfly.com to rent the car. So, and you can cancel in 24 hours. I use justfly.com. It's really great. Car rental was smooth. Because when I came, I said to myself, you know what? I got the price. I'll rent it later. And when I did that, I came here, and the car, they were trying to rent it to me for like $468 for a week. And I said, but online is not that, and it's unlimited miles. So you want to get unlimited miles. Of course, they drive on the left side. So get unlimited miles. When you rent it from justfly.com, and someone told me that you get extra insurance just in case you have scratches or anything, or theft. That pays for the car. You don't have to pay for that. In addition to that, before you start traveling international, you want to drive, you will need a permit. You would need a permit. You'll need an international permit. You could Google, and you get that from Google. You get your permit, and you could get it for $70 US. I got mine from online passport express place. So once you start your journey in traveling, get yourself an international permit, okay? So that's something I learned along the way. The converters, you might want to Google what converter to specifically get for South Africa. I purchased a converter for my devices, and it didn't work. Another thing, in South Africa, they don't like to take American cash. Even sometimes the regular people, they just don't like it. Based on money laundering, it's best to change or go to the ATM. Change all of your money out. Don't have any American dollars. No one is really impressed with American dollars. We bought some ice cream, and she wouldn't take the $20, and it's like, you know what? The ATM machine was not working. I mean, her Visa machine was not working, but she still would not take. So we're going to Goo Leto, people. She still would not take the. Are you seeing the difference here? She still would not take the $20. So, lot to learn, but look at the street. People are walking. We're going into more of the townships now.
In 500 meters, turn left.
We're going in, and look at the street. I mean, this is Africa. Of course, there's a township like Jamaica, there's a ghetto, and then there's business, then there are black professionals. But it's just going to get better. But before it gets really good, come here.
Turn left.
I started something called a family share with this family. A family share is where I find a family, I support them when I'm in abroad, and I travel back and forth. And they support, and you know, we kind of stay at each other's place, and it doesn't matter their living condition. It's best to find yourself a family that you could trust, and with security everywhere, it's all good. Okay? So you don't have to worry about security. Keep your car door locked, and these people here are very, because the only way you're gonna know things is from people that are here. And I've met some Jamaican, I met one Jamaican guy who's a permanent resident here. Okay. So, what what's going on, Virgin, with my GPS. No, here we go. This is no Gugulethu. Gugulethu. My favorite ghetto. Johannesburg, you have Soweto. You see, you don't know what's going on. You gotta keep your eyes peeled and ready to step on that gas. I'm just kidding. But you're gonna see the difference here. Yeah. You see, I'm a filmmaker, and as a filmmaker, you know, we take a lot of risk to get the footage, you know? That has been the nature of my life. Now, the Rasta movement here in Cape Town is pretty big. It's all about Rasta. So now, you keep your doors locked because at any time someone would just open your doors and take your stuff. And when they see your phone, they'll just grab for your phone. So that you want to be careful of. The taxi driver tell me that. So now, why?
In 200 meters, turn right.
Why am I falling in love with Goo Leto? Because when you come in Goo Leto, you'll see that, you know, there's poverty here. These people
turn right, then turn left.
These people are people. They're just getting by like everybody else. And things are hard for them based on the system. So it's not their fault. Like, they don't want to work or anything like that. The system, the way the system set,
left,
you know?
then you will arrive at your destination.
The way the system set up. The system set up that way there. So that's just how it is, you know. So it's not like I don't want to work. You know, something about this way that we came here is different.
You have arrived.
That is not true. I'm gonna go up a little more, and I think my GPS went into a wrong location. Another person told me, you don't ask directions around these parts. You know, that's something you don't do. You see the kids, them living. People just living, man. Them living, man. People living their life and then doing them thing. Right? Them living, doing them thing. You know, you can't wrong them for live them life, Rasta. Normal people living them life. You know, doing them thing. Police. Yeah. Just living them life. So now, take a drive in Goo Leto. One thing I noticed, a lot of garbage. And I asked my friend, what's up with all the garbage? And he told me, you know, the people are frustrated. They look at this garbage. And they pass it, and they just pass it. Their mind is in a state of rebellion. And in that state of rebellion, they really don't so this is a square. Their mind, the rebellion, their mind, it's okay. That's taxi. How are you afraid of your people? There they are, beautiful African people in a certain situation trying to go through life. But why would you load the bus in the middle of the road? One thing I've noticed, the difference between different cultures, and even in Brooklyn, everywhere I go in the world I see it. When it comes to abiding the law and discipline, I don't know if it's black people energy, but they sometimes they just break all the rules, and maybe it's the wrong food they're eating or this. I don't know what it is, but you know. Okay, I guess I'm the one that's holding up traffic. I guess I'm the one that don't know how to do this. All right, let's do it. Ja Rasta. Alright, let's do it. So this must be the Binbus Park. Okay. Something on that damn thing. Meat man, there's a meat man on the street selling meat. Life is happening no matter what. Nice picture right there, these brothers with their hats. I mean, come on. Are these people? Are these people? Are these human beings? But they have to do something about the trash. This is like a big Kingston. This is not cold at all.
Head west. Head west.
People just living, man. People just living, bro. Okay, campers, I put the wrong address in. The wrong address in, but the good thing, we get to sit down and watch a ball game in Cape Town. You're watching Cape Town television with Ronnie and the soccer match now. Oh yeah, this is the World Cup. I happen to put the wrong GPS. Just dally out of here. Don't sit down for too long.
Head north.
That was the match for today. The winner was the guy in the yellow shirt.
Turn left.
All right, we got the right address. Somebody's barbecuing over there. I might want to get me some barbecue. Yeah, Ronnie. Ronnie on the radio. SaveJamaica.com. Now we're saving. So.
In 600 meters, turn left.
Oh man, I tell you, I love this place. Look at this. People are doing their thing. So, why are you afraid of Africa? This is a people who fought for their rights to be equal human beings. Proud people. They're put in a position, and I'm here to help. To do what I can do to help, to teach them, give them resources, and make connections for them. The kids need a lot of digital books and stuff, and gonna make it happen. That's what Ronnie does. He changes the world. I'm just kidding.
Turn left.
All right, Goo Leto fans. This is Goo Leto. I love the vibe. I love it, man. I see the people. I feel the energy. This is like Kingston, Jamaica. No different. So it's something I'm used to. These are normal, loving people. They love. They feel. They have pain. They have dreams. You know? And I would live here because you need smart people around these children. You need people who've seen it in America. We know how to build systems, and we've done our grassroots movements, you know. So we need to lend them a hand, you know. Well, I did capture a lot today. 3 more minutes in our destination. So I'm helping them to set up a Goo Leto news network, you know.
In 150 meters, turn left.
This is like driving in Kingston, no different.
Turn left.
When it comes late at night, stay in your house. No different from Kingston. Yak hair
200
salon.
meters, turn left.
Zandi hairstylist. Now, what's going on over there? Kids are playing gathering. Yeah. I don't see why these people, you know, walk in the street. There's not a lot of fast traffic. Wow. Wow, this road is new. Oh.
In 50 meters, turn right.
Okay,
Turn right.
it's okay,
Then
dog.
turn right.
You're supposed to. It's okay. It's okay. Yes. Now, if you look at her face closely, those are some of the original human beings. You know, look at them. They're just living their life and playing, you know. So,
In 150 meters, turn left.
these people are just living their life, you know. Easy, kids are playing, so you can watch them. Something is going on with this GPS today.
In 100 meters, turn left.
You know. This phone is acting up. Yeah, so what they do, they just walk out in the road. That's what they do here. You just have to drive slow. You're seeing it all, people.
In 100 meters, turn left. Turn left.
Okay. Something about today could be the fact that I need to be on this adventure, but my GPS is not working on this phone at all. It's like it just shut down. So there's a lot of kids here.
Turn left. Then turn right.
Shut this down until we get
Turn right. Then turn right. Head southeast. Then turn left. In 200 meters, turn left.
kids gotta see you. The kids have to see you.
Turn left.
Okay, little kid.
Turn
Watch
right.
yourself. Watch yourself, little kid. You know. I've never seen a garbage truck where the whole body moves.
Yeah, maybe the usual one.
Let's take a picture with your mom. Go over here because of the sun. I'll go back in the house, back against the wall. Against the wall. The sun.
Got it.
No, it's funny. Let's go over here. Sorry, start. Come. Just stand here. Lock the door. About going out, hanging out?
Yes!
It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. Fun.
My friend! Yes!
Are we ready for the adventure? Buckle up your seatbelt.
Panty.